Now, Dexter Hoover is that sort of character in the Cars films that people just sort of brush over. And yeah, and no, not with a Hoover, with a brush. Hey. And yes, before you ask, I know that was a bit of a terrible joke, but that's the magic of improv, I suppose, isn't it? Still, Dexter Hoover is, I think, quite the underrated character, you know? It's just, well, I mean, without him, it wouldn't, races wouldn't be smooth sailing as they normally would. How are you supposed to know if the race has stopped or the safety car or the pace car is going to come out? I mean, that's why this guy's here. So, wave the flags of green, yellow, red, the checkered flag, which is what he's got here. This is the only Dexter Hoover I've got. So, this is the only flag I've got with him, which of course is the checkered flag, if you couldn't already tell. Hey. Still, here, enough dragging on. Let's have a closer look at him. So he's, well, just a standard pickup model. I believe this model of pickup is used for quite a few of the crew chiefs. Like, I think that's Chick Hicks. Is it Chick Hicks? No, he's the SUV, isn't he? I think. And I think there's the Kings. There's quite a few more, quite a few more of the crew chiefs, I think. And I think maybe some like the trackside, like cars, like Marshalls, whoever. I'm pretty sure they use this like model of pickup truck, but I could be wrong. Still very basic yet effective design. It's two-tone blue and yellow. Got the Piston Cup logo with the official logo on it. Hence why he's called No, no. That's wrong character. I was thinking race official Tom for a second, but nope. This is Dexter Hoover. Still, round the back is more of the same. Still official and number plate. What does the number plate says? A113 BA. Is that what it says? Definitely says A113. I know that. Which of course wasn't like the classroom that some of the Pixar animators used. Pretty cool. And same on the other side. So pretty boring really. Still on the underside, he's not bad actually. I don't know. Not bad? I don't know. Sounds weird, but if you're into the underside of cars, then have a look. This is the Thailand one released in fairly recently. I know that, but it was like 2024, 25, something like that. I don't know. He was released in China before, and I was like way back in the day. Way back in the day. That was like 2008, I think. Still, here's the flag. Black and white checkered flag. It's, well, got sort of bendy plastic. Whatever, which. Yeah, look how bendy it is. Look. No, I don't know. Not the biggest fan of that myself. Like, the only inserts I found for the flag is right here, where the right mirror is. You can't see that, can you? See, look, I'm trying. See, look, I've tried doing that many times before, and I failed each and every time. Oh, it's really annoying, I'd say. I mean, still, regardless of that, have a great day, folks.